Good morning, children. Shall we continue the lesson? That is lesson number 16, air. Before that, let us recollect the main points we have discussed in the previous class. We have seen that what is air. Air is a mixture of gases surrounding the earth. Can we see the air? No, we cannot see the air, but we can feel. We have learned its properties also. Air occupies space. Next one is air has weight. Now let us see why we need air. Air has many uses. We need air to live. We need clean and fresh air to breathe. All plants and animals also need air to live. Air also helps to move things. Air helps in flying kites. It helps in sailing of a boat. It moves the fans of a windmill. Air helps clothes to dry. It helps helicopter and aeroplanes fly in the sky. We fill air in boats, balloons and tires. Air helps in lighting a fire. Keep it burning. There are three forms of wind. They are wind, breeze and storm. Moving air is called wind. Wind that blows gently is called breeze, and we enjoy cool breeze. A very strongly blowing wind is called a storm. They damage houses and streets. Now, let us see the next topic. Text reading, air gets dirty. Dirty means pollution. We should breathe clean and fresh air. Sometimes air gets dirty with dust and smoke. Smoke from burning things makes the air dirty. Smoke from factories also makes the air dirty. Buses, cars, trucks and auto rickshaws also give off smoke that dirties the air. Dirty air can make us sick. We should try to keep the air clean. Trees help to keep the air clean. We should plant more trees. Shall we see the boxes also? Activity: dig a pit and put some dried leaves in it. Water the pit every day. See what happens after a few days. Okay, this is about compost pit. After few days we can take and use for plants as a fertilizer. Okay. Go green. We should not burn leaves. Burning dried leaves pollutes the air. We should recycle them. Did you know dirty air is warmer while clean air is cooler? Air in forests is cooler because it is cleaner. Now, our values. We should help to keep the air clean. Going to school in a carpool and walking to nearby places will help in doing so. You could also keep some plants at home and look after them well. Okay. Children, when harmful substances mix with the air, they unclean the air. This is called air pollution. What is that? Air pollution. We need clean and fresh air to breathe. Breathing unclean air can make us ill. Now let us see causes of air pollution. Okay. Air pollute due to cutting of trees, burning of wood, burning of fossil fuels, smoke released from factories and industries, smoke released from vehicles. Now, harmful effects of air pollution. Okay. Air pollution causes damage to our beautiful historical monuments. Because of air pollution, our beautiful monuments becoming damaged. Air pollution also affects the growth of plants. Due to air pollution, human beings suffer from a number of diseases like asthma, bronchitis. Bronchitis is a disease. Its symptoms are cold and breathing problem. Okay, cancer and skin diseases. Now let us see the preventive measures. Some preventive measures to reduce air pollution and its effects. First of all, plant more trees. Next, avoid bursting firecrackers. Okay. Next, make more use of public transport. Next one, service your vehicles regularly. Next, factories and power plants should be set up far from residential areas to reduce air pollution. These are the preventive measures of air pollution. Okay, children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Let us wind up. Have a nice day.